Alright, welcome back guys to another one of the best streams on YouTube. Today, as we are doing always, we are going to be trading gold for this amazing NY session. We have a lot of things happening on today, a lot of very nice price action. Oh, amazing structure. Wow, look at this. I believe gold is gonna melt today. Man, what a price action. Look how it's moving. It looks like it's gonna keep melting for today. How much is that? Like, wow, I cannot even calculate it. Like 1,100 pip or something. But yeah, you get the idea. So this weekly candle is going to close in about 7 minutes. Can we close below or above this support? This is what we are gonna see in the next 7 hours. But here clearly we can see that there was like a breakout here on the daily time frame. This candle looks like it wants to keep moving down to fill this wick right here to the left hand side. On the 4 hour we are moving bearish. We created a resistance right here and it looks like we are moving to the downside. Let's check 30-minute real quick. Oh, so we have some sort of support right here. We were on the 4 hour. Yup, it's looking good to go to the downside. We have a clean range for about 368 pip to move to the downside. On the 1 hour, looking very good to move to the downside. Let's check how much is this range. Almost 200 pips. So let's move this line a little bit down till here. Probably we can look for some buys, probably, but not for sure, if there will be any. And yeah, I think that's it pretty much for today. Looking clear, looking good, everything is awesome. Yup, amazing. Very clean price action we have today. In case we got a closure below, we are going for sales of the rip right away. Look at this, 350 pips. Yup, it's looking good to move to the downside. Let's see where will it go. This is pretty much it for gold. For Nasdaq, wow, Nasdaq is melting as well. Well, you don't see this every day. Wow, look how Nasdaq is melting. Oh man, oh man, what's happening here on Nasdaq? Oh, that doesn't look good at all. You can see this huge wick. Nasdaq tried to come back up, but it couldn't. Man, this is very bad for American economy. I think this is because of the war. It's been down about almost 6.6%, but I believe it will keep moving down further. Look at that, 25%. How much was it here? 35%. Yeah, I think we are gonna see like a huge correction from the Nasdaq. Let's check the daily time frame. Looks a little bit confusing. We have a support here to the left hand side on the 4 hour. Also looks like it's just a free fall. It's just a free fall for Nasdaq. There is no like some structure or something. Last structure is very far ahead. Look at that. That's quite far actually. Quite far. Oh, it doesn't even show me on the 15-minute time frame. That's how far it is. It's quite far. So no worries, we will just going to Pay attention to this price action, probably looking for buys above. Sells, I don't know about sells. We need to see like some sort of resistance formed, and then probably we will be looking for sells. For now we are just waiting on gold. Gold is where the real action is on gold. So let's be patient and wait for gold to give us some good moves. Oh, it's time to share the live stream. Give me a minute so I can share the live stream. Wow, look at this rejection on gold. You don't see this every day. Price action in English. Man, what an amazing move. So probably we are waiting. It's looking good for sells below. We want to see a good closure for sells below. That's what we want to see right there. Let's fix these lines a little bit like this, make it neat and clear. And yep, everything looks good from there. Everything looks good. Now we can... Hello Abdullah, how are you, man? I hope you are having an amazing day. Abdullah, tell me, you didn't blow your account today, right? I know you are a good man. You didn't blow your account today. Hopefully. Today is Friday, so you have to be careful, man. It's a very, very dangerous and risky day on Friday. You can see we have good price action, but you always should be careful on Fridays. Maybe lower your risk, because that's where most of the traders, they blow their account on Friday. So you must be careful and lower your risk. Hello, trying to recover. Hello Hussein, how are? Yes bro, that's because you are over trading. Abdullah, I keep telling you don't over trade, man, but I don't know, you like trading a lot. You should like take some time out, you know, take a break, go touch the grass outside, have some fresh air. You are sitting on your chair for like 7 hours a day, man. This is not trading, this is not life. You need to go smell some fresh air. I just came actually from a walk. I was walking outside. I was there for Asian, but Yeah, there was not much opportunities in agent session right about here, but didn't take it because this candle closed with no bottom wick, and the rest is, man, is ugly. It was ugly range. Only this one was looking good, but I didn't take it as well because of there is no bottom wick here, as you can see. But for now, I believe we are gonna get a closure below soon, and then we are going to enter, which is also the break of the 1 hour candle. What will be a good sell, bro? What will be a good sell? Alright, Leon Walker. So I'm gonna show you how a good sell looks like. So you can see here that the 4 hour closed bearish. That's mean we are bearish. We are trying to fill this range right here to the left hand side for about 500 pips, and we just need the closure below. If we got a closure on the 1 hour that looks like this, I'm gonna draw it for you. So I know there is some like dumb people, not you specifically, but there is some people that they are asking how will it look like. So there will be a red candle that looks like this. We need a red candle that looks like this exactly. So if you got a candle that looks like this, maybe a little bit to the upside, I think it's overextended like this. Yep. So it should broke this week. All right, should broke this week, and better even if it left like a longer wick to the downside, like this longer wick to the downside. Then the next candle will come to create a top wick. This is the new 1 hour candle in like after 15 minutes. Okay, you are paying a good attention here. Then after 15 minutes, the next 1 hour candle will go to create a top wick like that. And whenever the next 1 hour candle reflip, re-break the low, we are going to enter this trade, anticipating it to fill this range right there, exactly like this. Look at that and remember it, because I believe this will happen soon, like in 15 minutes. This is what you are gonna see. So keep it in mind. Keep it in mind. In about 15 minutes, this will look like perfect setup. On the 30-minute, so we need a red candle and a green candle, which will be the one which is forming this week. We need a green candle because on the 30-minute looks a little bit overextended, and as well as the 15. I think on the 15, if we got like a red candle like this, it will be good to go, you know, because we have a very clean range to the left hand side. Look at this clean range. How beautiful is this? How soft and beautiful and clean this range. About 350 pips. Imagine 350 pips range for sells. Man, today we are having a nice opportunities. For the 30-minute, man, for the upside is tough to take buys. We will probably be looking for a fake out here or fake out there to enter some sells. Yup, mostly sells. On the Nasdaq it's just still bleeding, so I don't think we are going to take anything unless we got a closure below for buys above, and that's all. There is no more sells for Nasdaq. Do you guys know why there is no more sells for Nasdaq? Look at this. Look at that move, man. Nasdaq just moved down like almost 900 pip, 1000 pip move to the downside. So if you are taking sells on Nasdaq, you are kinda stupid. Maybe you are. Hello Alex, good evening. How you doing, man? Thank you, brother. I am new and learning. Thanks for help. Lots of blessing. Yes, I appreciate you, Leon. I appreciate you being here. This is just a free education for free. Yep, that's what we do here. Just some free education, and we are like taking trades together, having small chats, and that's all. because waiting for trades is like a little bit boring, so we are trying to make it more fun. So here, this is my performance for my last funded account. I actually, unfortunately, I blew it, but this shows the performance before I did. Look, my winning trade, it was more than my losses. Like I got 73% win rate and 26 losing trades. So this shows everything, like number of trades. So average trade time is about 5 minutes. Longest trade time, it's about 18 minutes. Which is my losses, actually they last longer. I usually take wins like in 5 or 10 minutes max. And yeah, average winning trade about 4 minutes. And longest winning trade. Yeah, you can see here some details, guys. So I like to check my detail, like my what they call it, my performance from time to time. It helps me to improve. Look at this nice BNL history, very nice and clear. I passed this funding very easily, like in 2 weeks, and it was not difficult at all. But yeah, got into some issues and then the whole thing is gone. So I think I'm gonna make a video about it. I think I'm gonna make some video about it, so the new traders, they don't just blow their account. So yeah, just a little bit of trading over here. And yeah, let's get back to gold. Alright, so to be honest with you, this 30-minute candle looks beautiful if it closed upside, if closed above here. I believe we can take some buys. 200, 2000, like 240 pips. It doesn't look bad, to be honest. Doesn't look bad. We have a clean range. We came down, grabbed liquidity, tried to come down again, retested this area right here, and then we failed. We failed to break this area twice. So probably we are gonna wait for this. So there was some golden rules here. I don't know where did it go. Probably we'll write some new golden rules today. Yep, closure above also doesn't look bad. Closure above, buys. Let's put it in green, so people who can't read can see the color, so it's easier for you guys. Buys above this resistance. Yes, why not, Abdullah? Why not? If it's not good, you just tell me why is it not good to buy above this resistance right here. Why is it not gonna be a good buy? Oh. So look, I think this 4 hour will try at least to create a higher wick minimum. If it went, so if it went and broke this resistance, this 4 hour candle will be breaking its own high. Look at this, this is the high of the 4 hour, it will be breaking its own high. Probably will try to break above this area and it would fail or keep going. So it doesn't matter. Like the next resistance area is still there. We have about 200 pip clean range. 200 pip, but I prefer to see it like a red candle and green candle with the confirmation like this. So look how the buy scenario would be perfect. Let me show you. It's not a normal buy scenario, but a good buy scenario. Let me show you right there. We need to see an A+ setup, not just any setup. Alright, so this candle, I don't know why the wick is not. So after this candle close above like this, we want to see a red candle, which is like this exactly. Look at that, Abdullah, this is the secret of success. This right there is the secret of success. We want to see a red candle like this, exactly like this, and boom, we will enter on the next candle. Green. So look, after we see this scenario happening, next candle will open, create a wick, maybe till this area right here, and then boom, we will enter for buys like this, perfect buys, and with a good execution, with no emotions, and pure price action and a good risk management. And that's all you need to be successful. That's all you need, just a good execution. Doesn't matter the rest. Look at that. Exactly like this. We'll secure about 1 to 1. Yep, 1 to 1.5. It looks perfect. Just looks perfect. So this is the second scenario for buys. Otherwise, we are going with sells mostly. Sells is with the trend. So that's why I told you it's better to go for sells. If you like this content, guys, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This will help me a lot to keep motivated and keep just doing these videos for free. So actually we have a really nice Telegram group. I'm gonna share with you the link. So everyone is like chatting there. We have a really good guys over there in the Telegram group. We are sharing our trade ideas and everything. So I sent the link in the comments and you guys can join. Feel free to join to improve your trading and become more profitable. It's in the comments below. One of the best Telegram groups in the world. One of the best. Make sure you join. So what's happening here on Nasdaq? Wow, look at this. Why is it moving like this? There is some news or something. Let's check if there is any news event, something that's happening. Maybe Trump is talking or something like that. Trump is talking is worse than news. We have some little thing right here. Consumer sentiment. I believe it's about like inflation and this type of stuff, but it's not a major news. Like I think there is no major news for today. Trump's signature will appear US dollar bill as the first mark. Oh, okay. Nothing major. Wow, look at Nasdaq. It's just melting, guys. So this Nasdaq, it's top 100 US American companies. Top 100 tech stock. Only in tech, like Nvidia and Meta and Tesla and all of these companies is in this stock, and it's melting. It's a bad day for American economy. It's already down like about almost 4% today. But we don't care about American economy. Let it go to shit. We are not in America. Yeah. Okay, so this is actually is looking good now. It's looking good. It's moving down. We have about 3 minutes left for this candle to close. And probably after that we are going for our sells. Just in about 3 more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes. Be patient. Don't rush. 3 more minutes. What? Nick took a loss? Really? Oh man, I think he was rushing. Oh man, you was rushing, Nick. Yeah, but it's a good trade actually, man. It's a good trade. He was following the trend. I believe I could also take the same trade if I came at the same time to the chart, I would take in the same trade. It is not a bad trade at all, but I believe he should have secured earlier. Like right here, he should have secured something because it's 100 pips already. It is 100 pips. Alright, so we have... Did we get 10 likes yesterday? I think we did. I believe so. I think today we are going to get our 10 likes. 10 likes is the goal for the day. Yep, so I was reading this little book right here. Maybe I can show you. It's very, very interesting. It talks about trading and why it's addicting, and it calls all of this stuff, like how traders are like alcohol addicts, and man, it's very, very nice stuff. Can I add it into Chrome? Alright, so I will try to show you. Yup, this one. This book, I am now in page 29. 29. Yup, 29. Look at this. So I cannot highlight. Yeah. It says it took me a long time to realize alcoholics and addicts were more likely to recover in self-help groups than in classical psychiatric settings. Psychotherapy, medication, and expensive hospital. So it talks like about how like alcoholics and drug addicts are more likely to recover in a groups where they talk about like similar topics like them. So when alcoholics come with each other, there is like they have some things in common, so everyone shares the problem from his perspective, same as our trading group right there. So I send it in the description, like our trading group. So you can go and share your idea and ask your question for free, totally. I'm not asking you to pay anything. On the opposite side, there is a lot of experienced people like Alex over there, and he will help you with anything and guide you. One of the best, yeah, definitely, man. But price already filled the 50% of the range, and we had support too. Yup, Alex, you are right, totally. So I think he should have just secured something earlier, and this candle, so the issue is that this candle, it took almost half of the range. Look, the range is about 270 pips. But this candle alone, it's 155, like almost 160 pips. This candle alone, so it filled more than 50% of the range. You are absolutely right. Like 50% of the range was right here. Yep, was right here, and it filled more of it. So yeah, you should be cautious, guys, because this is not a game. You are now competing with one of the best minds in the world, the most sharpest mind in the world. Wow, look at this candle closure, guys. 1 hour is looking amazing. It's looking perfect. So this is what I was drawing like a minute ago. I don't know if I can show you, but this is exactly what I was drawing a minute ago. Bro, how to recover from 5% drawdown? Oh, Abdullah, man, I knew you was over risking. I told you you are over trading and over risking, bro. I know that you would do that. So if you have a 5% drawdown, so it's good that we are going into the weekends now, but just don't think about recovering it. Just think about trading your edge, trading your strategy, and don't think about the loss. Like, oh, if I lost 5 trades in a row, I'm gonna blow my account. Don't think about that. Just take it as like there is no loss online. Don't be stressed by it. Totally ignore the fact that you are 5% in drawdown. This is what helped me personally. It helped me a lot in the time of the drawdown. So right there, guys, I believe if this candle broke this high, it is gonna fly. If it broke this high right there, because this is also the high of the 4 hour. Look at that. Wow. This is also the high of the 4 hour, but we are gonna be, wow. See? I think it's flying now. Look at that. Wow, what a move. Man, 60 pips. What was I saying just now? Man, what a move. But I'm not anticipating this because, wow, look at that going. Holy, 90 pips. 90 pips in like 2 seconds. Wow. So that's what I was saying, is that we have to wait for a closure. I cannot take this like that. And Abdullah was saying, why would you want to take buys? See, Abdullah, now buys is working out. I told you buys is not a bad idea, but doesn't seem like you get it, bro. How to recover? One of my phase 2 account is breached also. Bro, you have just to take it easy and relax. No need to panic. It's not the end of the world. Even if you lost this account, so what? It's not the end of the world, Abdullah. Just chill and just risk 0.5%, man. No need to rush it. Why are you rushing? I believe it's because of rushing. That's why you are losing that much, because of rushing. This is our main issue. What? That's our main issue, guys, is that we are rushing the process. We are setting like timelines and we are always rushing. Wow, look at that going. Wow, what a move. Just in 3 minutes. Man, I was not expecting this at all. Maybe I was. So I'm gonna show you where I was talking about it. Right here. I think I even draw this exact thing what happened on the bullish scenario for the longs. Where was it? No. Yup. Right there. Look at this. See? It's exactly what you are seeing now on the charts. Look at the charts. I think exactly. It's a copy paste. Green candle close above and red candle, and then boom. Fill the range. Exactly right here. But there is only one issue, which is this candle closed above our lines, not below our line. So this was the only issue. That's why I didn't take this trade. That's why I didn't take, but it have already filled this range, I guess. Almost. Look at that. Same sketch exactly. If it could just close above, I would have been in this trade. If it would just close above. Yeah, but no luck, man. So it doesn't matter. I believe there is a lot of opportunities today. We are having an amazing price action. I want to make quick money. Oh man, you are very funny, Abdullah. Good luck with that. Good luck, because you are gonna need it, a lot of it. Man, there is no such a thing as quick money in this life. If you want to make quick money, that's mean you want to get fucked. That's how you get quick money. There is no other way. Like, believe me, I tried before you. I tried to make a lot of quick money. So either you will end up in jail, or you will end up in a really bad place if you want to make a quick money. You have to make small, easy, step by step. You have to take it very, very small, like this, step by step, like this, you know. You want to make a quick money like this, you will end up going like this, very fast. But if you are taking it a step by step, so you have a cushion, like when you go to the second step, you can stay there for some times till you climb up back to the third step. And then when you are on the third step, this is like a cushion for you. So you don't go back to the second, you're just staying at the third. And that's how you keep growing your wealth, by investing and saving and not buying bullshit like everyone does. Just by saving and investing and compound interest. Compound interest is one of the most amazing things in this world. So I wanted to show you this about this compounding return calculator, which I was checking based on my win rate. I have 73% win rate. Starting capital, let's say I'm going to start with 50k. Risk to reward is 1-to-1. Risk per trade is $250. Trades per month around 22, let's say 24. But I passed it in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, maybe I took more than 24 trades, 25, 26, yep. It's around 27 trades. And your maximum drawdown could be 1-800 right there. This is if you have 73% win rate. Man, it's not bad, I think. It's not bad. Let's check Nasdaq. Oh wow, man, look at the Nasdaq. I think it's going to very bad place. There is no such a thing as quick money, guys. Just take this idea from your head. Even with trading, you're not making a quick money. You're making small money, but steadily. There is no such a thing. You will make it overnight, or over a week, or over a month. It's all illusion. These trading influencers are selling you illusion. You need years and years of trading to make the amount of money that you are thinking about. It's not possible to make it in weeks even, or months. Believe me, I've been there. I came to you from the future to tell you this advice. There is no such a thing as quick money. That's why 95% of traders fail, because they are chasing quick money. 95%. The percentage actually is a little bit more, but you get the idea. So if 95% are chasing the quick money, then the rest 5%, the winners, they are chasing the slow money. That's why the winner percentage is very, very small in trading. The people who make it is very, very small. It's a very competitive field. It's not like graphic design or all of this shit. If you want to be a good trader, you have to be unique. You have to be disciplined. Not disciplined for a day or a week, but disciplined for years of discipline. Just like that. Discipline for years. That's what it takes. Wow. Look how gold is moving. This looks like a very, very clear head and shoulder. Right there. Boom, bow, boom, bow, boom. Yep, I think this is what it wants to do, and then retest from here, and then to the moon. That's what gold wants to do, probably from this area right here. Yup, this looks like the price action for today. It looks like it. We'll try to fill this week at first, and then reject, probably somewhere here, and then fly. Look at that. This is just simple price action. Nothing complicated. Nothing. So probably either we will catch it right here on this area, we can catch it right here, or also right here, or even anticipate this one, sells here, from this area right here. Let me put it in red. What? Like this one for sells, we'll anticipate fake out there, and the rest is buys. Buys here, buys here. That's how simple our strategy is. Golden words, appreciate your honesty. Yes, bro, it's all about honesty here. It's all about that. There is nothing to hide. Man, because like I got sick of the trading influencers. They are showing you that they are making $1 million a day, and bro, it's like not real. Even the real ones who are making this amount of money, they are not showing it. They don't need to show it. They don't need to sell anything in their life anymore. If you can make that amount of money, everyone they are flexing with their cars and their watches, but this is not the idea of it, of trading. The purpose is to be free. Financial freedom is to do whatever you want whenever you want. There is no one is controlling you. You don't have to work for anyone. You are working for yourself. You can fly whenever you want, buy whatever you want, and retire your family. So this is one of my goals, is to retire my family as soon as possible. Retire my parents. I hope you guys also writing your goals. My parents. Yup, I have them written in a notebook, in my notebook. Look, I have a notebook, and I wrote everything like it's there, even my trading journal and some stuff, you know. But you can also do the same. It's always here, and it helps me with focusing. Raja banks do this same stuff. Yes, bro. So actually I learned from Raja, but I don't know if he's actually if he is what he is saying he is. Bro, I'm just not sure, that's all, because he only trades on his own broker. This is what is like, is making me doubt, you know. I watch Raja, I respect Raja, and I learned from him this price action and everything. But man, most of his like profits and profiting trades was on his broker. Like imagine you have your own broker and your profit is only there. So yeah, that's all. But I respect the guy, to be honest. I respect the guy. He is a very smart guy with a really good concepts. He have very good concepts. We are seeing some nice rejection here from Nasdaq. I believe this thing can move way more to the upside. But bro, Nasdaq is risky for now. It's really risky. Probably we are gonna wait for like some sort of a fake out over here as well. This can work out, because look, this candle, it just moved without a bottom wick. So let's see now. We are having closure in about 15 minutes. less than 15 minutes, just 12 minutes for a really nice closure, which will make us see where is this price heading to, because this area is a very important area. This area right here, it's a major area. Look how price respected it before, rejection here, support there. Let me check to the left hand side if there is any more. Alright, there is a little bit, you can see here. Yeah, but I think that's pretty much it. You are spitting facts, bro. Oh, thanks, Leon. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you, and I also appreciate honesty and transparency. It's very important, especially in this field, man, because 99% of the influencers in this field are scammers. Unfortunately, 99%. Man, it's very difficult. I'm even tired of watching like trading content on YouTube. I stopped watching it. Yeah, so I am here to change the trading content on YouTube. Just provide free and real education. That's it. Free, real education, no bullshit stuff. No bullshit. Because the internet is filled with it, you can go anywhere, you will find bullshit. Careful, don't step on it. Yeah, you will find it everywhere. So, wow. I think this looking good to go up. You can see here we are some sort forming an uptrend right there. Some sort forming an uptrend, and maybe we will have a bounce there. Yeah, which is looking good to go. Which is looking very good to go. Alright, if you guys have any question, just type it down in the chat and I will be happy to answer it. You have just less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes before this candle close. Before this candle closure. Less than 10 minutes. All right. Wow, man, it's breaking. Look how beautifully it's breaking the high. After it's created a support on the 4-hour time frame, and now it's breaking the high. Man, I like when I see this, such a beautiful price action. It's looking so good. Wow, bro, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't it? Who doesn't like a good price action? Alright, so if we got a closure, this is not the time frame we need. Alright, probably on the 1 hour. Let's check the 30 minutes. Man, it looks a little bit overextended, to be honest, guys. Looks a little bit overextended. And mostly when you take overextended trades like this, you get faked out. So if this candle, let me explain this concept real quick. How when you take the overextended entry, you get faked out. For example, if this candle is very far from the last support area, look, last support area is about 460 pips, right about there. 460 pips. And you want to take buys here, right? You want to take buys after closure. So what you're gonna do is this candle will close like this beautifully, and then you will wait, has a nice wick, everything looks perfect. Then what you do, you wait for it to create a wick. Okay, that's nice, you are a good guy like Abdullah. And then whenever it breaks the high, like here, whenever it breaks this high, you are entering, right? Entry on this blue line, you enter like this. But what happened, pay a close attention here. So this candle created the bottom wick, and now it's going to break. So it breaks like this, boom, and hit your stop loss. That's why Abdullah is in a huge drawdown of 5%. So you guys be careful of that. This what will happen, and it eventually will hit your stop loss. This is actually an advanced concept because it's overextended. It will hit your stop loss. It can even hit your stop loss and then continue moving to the upside. Like it will hit the stop loss like this and then keep moving to the upside. So hope you guys get it. Hope you guys get the idea. Maybe the rejection of 200 pips come from 447s. Took sales from 1 hour resistance and made 1%. How you took sales, Abdullah? From which resistance, man? This right here, you took this? Oh bro, you are a very big gambler. You are a very big gambler guy. From here you mean, right? Oh man, be careful. Just be careful. Because I was doing like you before, like 2-3 years ago, and I was taking some stupid trades. Like I take this trade and I made 1%. I take sales from here, I made another 1%, and then I take one trade and blew the whole account just from one trade. So my goal here, I have to write it very big. The goal is consistency, not profits. Consistency, not profits. Because man, I've made a lot of profits and I'm got tired of it now. So now I am aiming for consistency. Yep, I have to keep it here all the time, so everyone can take a look at it. Because when you guys, it's like chasing a girl. You ever tried to chase a girl? Oh, she's so pretty, let me go and I will follow her and blah blah blah, all this bullshit that boys do. And then you keep trying to chase and follow her, and then she doesn't give a fuck about you. She doesn't even know who you are. And whenever you send her a text message, she doesn't even reply. That's why, because you are chasing. You have to attract, not chase. And I think you will not understand this until you have very good experience. Not chase. Like this, chase. Yeah, I think it's correct. The goal is consistency, not profits. Yup, I think. Oh, there is double T here. Yup, guys, so everyone should focus on his priorities. No risk, no Ferrari. Bro, it looks like you want to blow your account today. Man, Yeah, be careful. So I am checking now your charts that you sent in the Telegram group. Okay, it doesn't look bad, but hey, this is my lines. I think you are copying my lines, Abdullah. This is exactly my lines. But no worries, man. We are here to learn, so it's fine. You can copy it. Can copy them this time. Yep. Buys above here was nice. But these cells from there, it's risky. You should be careful. Even next time when you take such trades, you should be careful and manage your risk well. So this 30-minute candle now is actually a crucial candle. So if this candle can close like this, probably we are anticipating some fake out sells right about here, because we having a lot of volume coming from New York session now in the next upcoming minute and a half. So yep, we are going to look if sells would work, because if it create a bottom wick and went to create a top wick, it should not re-break the bottom wick again, because we will have a lot of volume and no need to break this low again. Let me prepare my MT5. Alright, 1 minute left on the candle. 1 minute left. It's gonna be a little bit aggressive entry, so you guys prepare, be ready. We need to see the next candle create a bottom wick and go up and then come down back again. So let's wait patiently and be careful. On the 4 hour, yeah, we are kind of bearish, I think. Okay, I am having some lags now on the last minute of the candle. Yep. So this 4 hour candle, yeah, probably it's also going to for it's the bottom wick of this 4 hour candle. Alright, so it created a bottom wick. Now we want to see a top wick. We want to see a top wick first. Alright. Now we got our bottom wick. Wait, our top wick. Wait, just give it a little bit more. We need a bigger top wick. We need a bigger top wick than that on the next. Be patient. Patience. I am not in yet, guys. I am not in. I don't like this small wick. I don't like this. I need a little bit bigger wick than this. Oh man, no. No, Goldie, don't do this to me. Don't do it to me. Come on, it's Friday. So we just need a top wick and we are gonna come back down. Oh, a top wick. So if there is no good top wick, it's better not to enter this trade. I didn't enter yet. I haven't entered. Wait. Patience. Patience. And just get me this top wick. A little tap. Just a little tap. Not yet. Oh, come on, man. 2 pips. 3 pips. Yup. Right there. Sell stop. Sell stop right there below the candle low. Below the candle low, guys. Trading sell stop. Yup. Sell stop. Right there. Sell stop. Below the lows. I have my sell stop right there. Sell stop. So if you got triggered, that will be nice. If you didn't got triggered, it's always nice. Remember, not to rush into the trades. Let it come to you. So now I'm totally relaxed and just let it. What is your Telegram channel? Bro, my Telegram channel is this. I sent you the link. It's pinned in the pinned chat. You can just copy this link and join us in the Telegram group, Leon. There is a lot of amazing people right there. Amazing group we have right there. Copy link. I will send it again so you can check. This is our Telegram channel. Make sure you join. Bro, a lot of amazing people are there. And they talk about trading. I am sure 120% they are gonna help you. And especially Abdullah is there as well. Abdullah is there. Alright, let's see if we can get triggered on this. It's even better. The more it creates a top wick, it's even better for me. I don't mind this at all, but it's getting out of hand a little bit. Just a little bit out of hand. So probably take profit will be till the bottom of this 4-hour candle, because it looks like we are still bullish. So I am just aiming for this bottom wick of the 4-hour. I believe it can create a bottom wick and then keep moving to the upside. So that's all. That's the idea behind the trade. And now we wait. Now we wait, guys. We wait patiently. Wow. Wow, look at this going. Look at this going. No need to rush. Don't jump into this when it's moving to the upside, because if it broke this high, man, it's going to fly. You feel me? If it broke this high, it's going to fly. Yeah, it sounded nice. If it broke the high, it's going to fly. Yeah, be careful. Careful, Abdullah, don't jump into the trade. Nice. Nice. Welcome, Hamza, to the group, to the Telegram group. Make sure you leave a like. Have we reached 10 likes yet? Man, I was waiting for 10 likes. Did we reach 10 likes yet? Okay. What's happening here? Man, it looks like it wants to break, guys. I believe if it broke the low, there is a high probability that it will move to the downside. But also keep in mind, keep your risk in mind. I'm not risking more than 1% in this trade. It's just 1% risk. But if you have a funded account, just don't risk more than 0.5%. Joined, bro. Thank you. May Allah. Thank you, Leon. I think you are Hamza, right? Yes, welcome to the group, bro. Welcome. Yep, just be careful from these sneaky cheeky markets. Be careful, guys. can stop us anywhere. Alright, now it's playing around this area, which is not bad. Stop loss is about 120 pips. It's not that bad, but you also should be careful. 124, 125, not that bad, but on my terminal it shows it's how much? 120. Yep, 123. So you guys be careful. Use a small lot size, very small. No need to use a large lot size, because the stop loss is very big. The stop loss is huge. So make sure you use a small lot size. Wow, look at NQ here. Look at Nasdaq. I believe if it broke this line is looking good to go, but there is only one thing, which is oh, look at that, which is this candle doesn't have a huge wick, so it have a very small wick. Oh man, I would have liked to go in this one, but I'm not entering this, guys. Be careful, not entering this. Only on gold. Only on gold. Sell stops. Sell stops are only in gold. Right here. Yep. I am just watching the Nasdaq for learning. Like I am forward testing it. So probably I can start trading it by maybe June, July, like this. I want to trade Nasdaq in the future. Abdullah, bro, I already made profit from sales. Abdullah, you are a very rich guy. You are a very rich guy. Be careful, guys. Be careful from Abdullah. He's a very rich guy. So I like this. I like how price is not breaking above, which means so price can move in two directions. If it didn't move up, it will move. Yep, exactly. Alright, man, this sell stops is taking a really long time. What's going on? Are we gonna get activated or what? Are we gonna get activated? Are we gonna get activated or what's this? Man, price been there for the last 10, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like how it's acting. So let's just wait, be patient. I think it's alright guys, I will be right back. I'm gonna get some tea and be right back. Just give me a few minutes. Here, listen to some music. What happened, guys? Oh, we didn't got triggered in. That's good. That's good news, man. That's a very good news. Wow, look how gold price fly. Wow. Man, I thought we got triggered in and it's going to stop me out. So that's good we didn't got triggered in. Bro, look at this thing. It looks like it wants to melt. But it's very overextended, man. I cannot take. Sorry, wait, let me reduce the music a little bit. Yeah, so I was saying this Nasdaq looks very overextended and it's not possible to take these sells. Like, I think I'm not comfortable with it. Yeah, you can see here this is also a rejection area right here. So yeah, I think it's not a good idea to take this sell, but I will just leave this just in case it works out or no. Wow, look at gold. What's going on here? What? It's just going up and up, going up. Ah, this tea is so delicious. You guys should drink some tea. Some tea with lemon. Green tea. If you don't have green, just drink some water. Yeah, it also helps. So, what's going on here? Man, it's just bombing. It left my sell stops. So I'm going to remove my sell stops now because it doesn't make any sense to leave them. Just remove these sell stops. See? I hope no one entered here for the sells. I hope no one entered for the sells. Otherwise, you are crying right now. Did you enter, Abdullah? Did you enter? Where is Abdullah? Oh, okay, you made profits already. Okay. That's fair enough. Fair enough. Yes, I am Hamza. Oh, okay, Hamza. Welcome to the family. Welcome. Oh man, Abdullah, you are an amazing trader, bro. I thought you are just impulsive, but now you are proving every day you are an amazing trader. That's very good. Congratulations. Here is some treats. Where is the treats? Oh, it doesn't work today. Ah, look. Here is some treats. Boom, and some money. Alright, let's check the Nasdaq. Yup. It's fucked us out. Not faked us out, it fucked us out. Bro, that's why I am testing this Nasdaq right now and not entering trades on it, because it's difficult. Like, I prefer gold way more than this Nasdaq. No, bro, waiting. Okay, that's good, Abdullah. Just keep waiting and be patient. I think I'm having some internet issue. And probably this is not going anywhere. Very delicious tea. very delicious tea. So I have a meeting at 3 tomorrow at 3 Cyprus time. 3 Cyprus time to Bishkek. What is it in here? At 7? What? Oh my gosh, I think I missed it, guys. I think I missed